What is the best Nostr client for Android? I've been asking around with my network of people who have used it, and everybody seems to point to Amethyst as the one. So let's take a look. Amethyst is an app in the Google Play Store, and it's made by a gentleman named Vitor Pamplona, and it has 50,000 downloads, 4.5-star review out of 318 reviews. So it looks like it actually has real downloads, real reviews. And you can see sort of some of the screenshots of the thing. Looks like a very nice implementation of a Nostr experience. So reminds me a bit of, kind of what we have in Damus on iOS. You can see it looks like these are the DMs we're looking at and kind of the general notifications. You can see who liked your posts. You can see replies that are coming in. And the claim is Amethyst brings the best decentralized social network to your Android phone. Just insert your Nostr private key and start posting. So it looks like it's pretty nicely done. This is the GitHub for it. Again, Vitor Pamplona is the author. And it looks like it was updated 2 hours ago, so it's being actively worked on. And you can actually see, here's Vitor Pamplona's profile. And he has his personal website, which gives you a little bit more about him. And he seems like legit. If you are looking for a client to use Nostr with your Android device, this is where I would be starting. And hopefully I'll get an Android device at some point and I can do a little demo of it and try out how it works. The other thing you can do if you've got Android and want to use Nostr is you could try some of the web clients. And we can talk about web clients in another video. Let me know if you have other questions. Thanks.